Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike Runnalls over at WeBe Autos. Today we have a very special car, 1973 Trans Am in Brewster green, very rare color. Original numbers matching 455, big block. Engine, transmission, carburetor also matching. Factory air conditioning, factory custom interior, which is beautiful. I'll show you in a second. Custom trim group. Gives you a lot of nice features. Rear factory window sill and rear hood edge moldings. Pretty cool. And full PHS documentation on this car. Green paint is gorgeous on this car. I've never seen one in Brewster green. Very special. This car is highly detailed. Honeycomb wheels. Really cool. It's got the deluxe interior. Showing 98,888 miles. Love the turn dash, so cool. Really nice. Got a little pink fluid in there. Cool. Man, that's cool. We also got a whole box of 8-tracks for you. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, loaded. Again, the block is matching. Very, very nice car. Just don't see them like this. $5,204.75. That's awesome. So cool. We got a whole folder here, documentations. Pretty cool. Here's your window sticker again. It's 455 4-barrel. It's a L75 they call it. Here's your production. So it's got 4,802 on the production on that one. Pretty cool. So here's your VIN number broken down. Pontiac Trans Am, big block, Norwood assembly, and the last R sequence. Trim tag broken down, 1973, Firebird, Norwood plant. There's your body number. Custom black interior buckets, Brewster green. All very correct. Cool. There's your block numbers. Quadrat, matching carb. And it kind of just goes on and on and on. Really cool. We got the matching model. That's cool. This is full of 8-tracks. Pretty neat. Got original spare, or original type spare, with a tire inflator kit. Pretty cool. The jams, moldings, and everything are gorgeous. Really nice. Just a cool car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. If you have any questions, just give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, details, and information on our website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.